Where did you get this?
It's all part of what I'm about to tell you.
Look, I already know about my dad. My mom got pregnant by one of the monsters in Malivora.
Well, then he'll be easy to spot in my story. Around a millennia ago, in certain parts of the world, there were monsters. And in one region, there was no monster more terrifying than dragons. On their own, no faction was any match for dragons. So an unholy alliance was formed. A witch, a werewolf, and a vampire.
I walked into a bar. I think I've heard this one before. Sorry.
The Triad combined their blood, using black magic to create a golem capable of consuming the dragons. They spelled the creature to have an insatiable hunger, but their spell also made it unable to harm witches, werewolves, or vampires. They named it Eater of the Dark. When the dragons, in human form, returned to collect the treasure from all the villages they had attacked, it was waiting for them. It took them. It consumed them. To their surprise, the creature was more effective than they could have dreamed. After the dragons were gone, it kept eating every monster it could, swallowing them into an endless space inside itself.
I mean, you're saying that the golem ate my dad?
No, Landon. Your father is the golem. The Eater of the Dark.